Interior cleaning is an essential part of car care that can be easily overlooked. Great cleaners not only keep the interior of your car presentable, but also improve its health and prevent further damage over time. That's why our expert review team has rounded up the 5 best car interior cleaners to help keep you feeling fresh as you drive. There are many products available to choose best car interior cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Relentless Drive Car Upholstery Cleaner Kit. If you just need to worry about dirt and tough stains in carpets, floor mats and car seat upholstery, look no further than Relentless Drive. This cleaning kit bundles the company's excellent carpet and upholstery cleaner with a surface scrubbing brush, so you can use your elbow grease to take out anything bothersome from most surfaces. Definitely test the interior detailer product in a hard-to-see place before spraying it all over. It's always good to make sure a cleaning product won't do anything funky to your car's interior. Number 2. Adams Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. If you don't want to go with Griot's Garage, Adams Total Interior Cleaner is a more than appropriate second choice. Heck, it was hard to pick between the two for the best cleaner spot. Consider it a tie because the Adams product also does a wonderful job cleaning any panel of a car's interior of dust and dirt. However, be sure to test the cleaning product if you're using it on cloth. It's not suited to every single type of car upholstery. Bonus: this car cleaner smells amazing. Number 3. All Surface Interior Cleaner. Awarding any product with the title of best value can lead one to infer that the product is cheap or the lesser of the bunch. That certainly isn't the case for this cleaner from 303. In all honesty, this option cleaned just as well as all of the other cleaners, even better in some cases. Something that really impressed me is that, based on the crude test I performed, this product seemed to repel dust better than any of the others. Another reason I consider this product the best value in our car interior cleaner test is its versatility. It's safe for use on glass, screens, leather, vinyl, or virtually any other surface you find in the typical vehicle. Number 4. Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Honestly, Meguiars almost took the top spot on our list. It smells great, it cleans well, it's priced just right, and it offers UV protection. Something that helps it stand out among the others is that you can buff it with a cotton cloth for a higher shine or microfiber for more of a matte finish. That level of flexibility helps this product capture more people's attention than many of the others. I should also note that buffing it with the microfiber towel produced a very similar sheen to our list's premier product. There was a noticeable difference, and it truly does offer that classy contemporary matte finish everyone loves these days. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer. Chemical Guy's Inner Clean is another all-around good interior car cleaner. It does an excellent job at removing dirt and dust, it's versatile, and it leaves behind a layer of UV protection. But the most noticeable benefit to using this product is the scent. Of all the cleaners, I found its smell to be the most pleasant by far. The pineapple-ish scent isn't overpowering like some pineapple-shaped air freshener, nor so faint that you can't tell if it's working. You're using a solid cleaning compound, it just happens to smell nice. We don't mean to sound superficial, but all things being equal, it works well and cleans superbly. The scent puts it over the top. This will be the ideal choice for many.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.